Sean, you a genius, nigga.
What up, YouTube, man? Oodie Oo back again with another video today, you know what I'm saying? Well, another weekend with Oodie Oo, as I should say. I ain't gonna say another day, because, you know, I always just make the whole video out of what I do on the weekend. But, I know it's nighttime. As far as right now, about to switch up these decals. The 836 right now. Gonna get rid of all this. It's like, it's too much attention, you know, so I'm gonna delete all that. And I wasn't gonna go like something more simpler like this one, but I was gonna rock this one, but I feel like it's too much white going on. So I had my homie at 392 Juanito hook me up something custom, like, you know what I'm saying, for the 36, you know what I'm saying, to be like more subtle too, cause I'm trying to be more subtle now, you know what I'm saying. Oh, and we got a new Dollar in the Dream decal that we made too. Hit up my boy, actually, hit up my boy 302 Juanito / MV Decals, because my guy does the decals now, and he's getting down, bro. I'm telling you, whatever you're thinking of, he can make a reality. Put the car out so I get some more room, because obviously, you know, this ain't gonna cut it. But pull the car out, get some more room, and we'll start peeling off these old ones, and then stick on the new ones. Stay tuned. Okay, so basically what we're cooking up over here is, you know what I'm saying, got the color of the, this is, I'm gonna put it down. This is the actual color of the car, and then this is the yellow, you know, like my accent colors, but in the YouTube form. And then you got the Oodie Oo, you know, for it to flow. Let's take one. You know what I'm saying? I did clean the font too. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna rock. Delete all that. Just rock the YouTube right there. Boom, boom. Cause this is one we first did. I thought I liked it, but we're really feeling it. This is more, you know, flowy with the car. That makes sense. Guess you could say. And delete all that. I don't even really be on Instagram like that no more. But it's all good though. All good though. And delete that. The YouTube was cool, but this one's better. It's cleaner. And I want to put it right there now. Or should I throw it? Nah, right there. See how it looks on the other side. Oh, well, I'll just flip it over because it's freaking dark over here. But first thing first, gotta freaking peel this one off. Peel these off to basically put the new one on. And stay tuned. Yeah, so this is how it looks. I like it. I'm digging it. Just a simple Oodie Oo rather than two. I like it. Seeing this is like with no stickers. With decals, kind of digging it. It's clean and simple. Just that one YouTube. Sheesh. Sheesh. Yeah, just that one clean one. Looks freaking clean. Yeah, no decals. I might rock it like this, actually. Sheesh, shout out 392 Juanito for making the decals and all that. I gotta throw a Dollar in the Dream back on. That's always been my motto. So I'll throw that one back on in the morning. But as far as right now, I'm digging it. Sheesh. Yeah, this dude shit's clean. No cap. Oh, they can see eyes. This is gonna be a night. up, DeAndre? Damn, you got a haircut? What? What, dude? Who this? Oh, what's up, Woody? How you been? How you been? How you been? Nice, nice, nice.
Damn, these are the Johnny.
Woo. Black cars, bro. Yes, another night.
Nigga, he's beating Alex.
What the?
Oh no, Alex caught up top end.
I want to see that. Like battle M54 to M55. Basically, only like what, 2 M54s tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, oh. Damn, Julian shit fucking flows. Woo! Car wash, boys. Car wash, car wash, car wash, car wash, car wash. Car wash, car wash, car wash, car wash, car wash. Hey, bro, your shit's fucking, like, it's like floats. Like, when you took off it in the squad, and it just fucking just like start fucking going. Yeah, I want to see that. Hey, were you ahead of Alex? When you got first run right there?
For a little bit. I could have.
That shit, yeah, that shit too. I was like, holy shit.
On fucking steroids right now.
Oh shit! What the fuck? F it though. We're all good though. M54, M55, M55. Woo. Woo. Was in there? Woo, that thin though. Damn. You went lower? The fuck?
Nah, I have the oils on soft right now. So they're like squatting.
Damn, I ain't been out the house in forever, shit. It look like that shit's looking lower.
Bruh, I tried that alone.
Well, you gotta switch that shit. You ain't gonna roll your window up? I feel that. Alright guys, man. Basically everybody at the car wash, you know, watching the whips up. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's back here watching the whips up. Basically I had to hit up my guy Jason. Let me walk over here. Basically I hit up my guy Jason and freaking to like, you know, see what he was up to. You know, link with his bros and stuff. So I was like, oh, I'll tag along, you know what I'm saying? I didn't know it was gonna turn into this, but hey, I'm enjoying myself, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for the rest of the video, guys. Checking out the lineup right now. Fast guy right here. Alex. You know, the Jason 335. And we got the Julian over here with a clean fitment. Woo. And then yeah, boost. This nigga's ugly. You ugly, nigga. That shit was. Woo. That shit look clean, though. Truckitos pulling in.
That's just like pushing. You be rolling backwards, like crying like for days and shit. You go through the whole fucking pavilion, you're still going crazy and shit. Damn!
Oh, he's wilding over there.
Hey, roll my window down. Oh, yeah, gotcha.
Yeah, that shit moved out. That shit was spinning, bro. I never seen a wheel spinning by my face. Oh shit! My dude, he got my fucking hat. Y'all fucking caught my hat, bruh. Damn, he's a plug for that. Over here taking over the fucking Sonic driving. Woo! Oh shit! Damn, he's too shot. Sheesh!
I feel like
You ugly. He came, my boy Alvin came flexing and airing out on it. Okay, Alvin, Woo!